This is Igbo Area TV.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Innoson to meet with boy who redesigned IVM logo. The chairman of Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing, IVM, Innocent Ifediaso Chukwuma, had requested to see a boy, Osuolale Farouk, who redesigned the company's logo. The young boy posted a self-designed logo on Twitter, which drew the attention of the chairman, who has invited him over for a meeting. And IVM, Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing, wrote on their Twitter, "Dear at Osuolale Farouk, the attention of the chairman, CEO of at Innocent Vehicle has been called upon on your creative redesign of IVM logo. The chairman is highly impressed and has requested a meeting with you. Please DM us your contact details for possible reach. Regards." Wow, this guy has gotten a contract. Osuola made the post as a proposal for IVM's new logo. His Twitter handle, the only Farouk at Osuolale Farouk. He wrote, "So I'm proposing a new logo for at Innocent Vehicles. If this comes across your timeline, please retweet." I think other people helped him to spread it. People continue to retweet it. You know, the amazing thing about Farouk's design is that each of the letters has a story to tell, which makes it unique and outstanding. Notable Nigerians and celebrities also commended the designer for coming up with a unique design and for his amazing creativity. Meanwhile, a woman also gets the attention of Innoson as she's met the creative designer and brand expert after she came up with corporate designs for the company. Wow. Innoson had met the Twitter user, the creative design and brand expert of their company after she got their attention on Twitter. Days ago, Twitter user at Osuolale Farouk got Innoson attention. He created a new logo for Innoson and tweeted at them. Another Twitter user at Chanie, Chanie Bob, then used the new Innoson logo made by the Twitter user at Osuolale Farouk and made a few corporate designs out of it. She tagged Innoson to the design and they were impressed. They then tweeted at her and told her she has been chosen as the creative designer and brand expert. Innoson tweeted at Chanie Bob, whose Twitter user name is "A Girl Has No Name. A girl now have a name, creative designer and brand expert." Here is a tweet by Innoson. Wow, look at the stuff she made. And she's now the creative designer for Innoson Vehicles Manufacturing. Wow. Thumbs up. Now, before you start to overdo it, Innocent Vehicles are tired of being tagged by Twitter creatives. Innocent Vehicles are tired. After 2 Twitter users have gotten the attention of the Innocent Vehicles, and more Twitter users are hoping to get their attention. We've talked about Osuolale and the other one at Chanie Bob. More Twitter users took to the platform to tag Innoson to their work. Wow, Nigerians, they know they carry last. Everyone wants that same connection. But while doing this, somebody jokingly tweeted, "Dear at Innocent Vehicles, this is a new malaria drug I designed for your company with the letter I. RT till Innoson sees it." That's a retweet till Innoson sees it. Nigerians they are funny people. They know how to hustle. Look at this one is amazing. Now, Innoson official Twitter handle replied, "Local man is tired." Look at. Now, on the reaction of Innoson concerning the news circulating that federal government had asked the plants to relocate to Lagos, Kaduna in order not to lose their license. Here is Innoson's reaction. The founder of the Innocent Vehicles, Innocent Chukwuma, has reacted to the purported presidential order which directed him to relocate his vehicle manufacturing plant to southwest or northern part of Nigeria if he doesn't want to lose his operating license. It was alleged that the federal government instructed Innoson to relocate the company's plant to Lagos or Kaduna to keep his license. However, according to the company, the founder isn't under any pressure from President Muhammadu Buhari-led administration. He said there was no such pressure. And I think they issued a press statement regards that. They were not under any kind of pressure to relocate. Please, for those circulating that news. Innoson even went on to say they have received policy support from federal government, citing the Nnewi Auto Industrial Park as an example. The Nnewi Auto Industrial Park was initiated to support the automobile parts manufacturing companies. He said, ordinarily, we would have ignored the statement and the publication in its entirety, which appears to have gone viral in most social media platforms, knowing fully well that this is the handiwork of mischief makers. But in a nation where silence may be seen as an admission of the truth, we have been constrained to come out to officially ask the public to disregard it and set the record straight. There had never been any order, and there will never be an order, either from the federal government or its agencies, to Innoson Vehicle to relocate its vehicle manufacturing plant, which is based in Nnewi, to Lagos, Kaduna, or any other place. Innoson Vehicle has continually maintained a robust relationship with the federal government, specifically under the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR. For example, under the present administration, Nnewi Auto Industrial Park was initiated to support automobile parts manufacturing companies together and deliver support. This was a tweet through its head's corporate communications, Colonel Osigwe. Here is a tweet. There was no such. So people who are spreading the rumor, I think you better hear from the horse's mouth. You don't do things on somebody's behalf. Allow the company to be the ones that will say this happened. Don't just assume and start spreading them. It is not proper. They say because silence might mean acceptance, something like that. They had to speak up. People should stop making up stories. Be sure of what you share. But we have to look at why this matters. The circulating news that they are under compulsion to move to Lagos or Kaduna. Now, this is why it matters. If Innoson moves the company's manufacturing plant from Anambra to Lagos or Kaduna, the state will lose jobs opportunities expected to be created by the plant. While the number of employees of Innoson is not known, the company contributes greatly to the employment market. In addition, revenue expected to be generated by Anambra state government from such investment will be lost to another state. With the focus gradually swaying towards Nigerian-made products, the company is well positioned to benefit from the Buy Nigeria to Grow Nigeria initiative. Also, the residents of the states where Innoson's manufacturing plant is located will enjoy job opportunities. Now, on government patronage, he said, while Nigerians have been criticizing the government and its agencies for patronizing foreign-made vehicles instead of supporting Nigerian-made vehicles, Innoson said it does enjoy patronage from the government. That is to say, the Nigerian government has been patronizing Innoson, and we don't like to hide the truth. Igbo Area TV is a witness. The Nigerian government has been patronizing Innoson. We will not lie about that. Innoson has sold vehicles to the Nigerian Navy, Nigerian Custom, Nigerian Air Force, Nigerian Army, numerous vehicles, and we talked about it on this channel. So when we see the truth, we speak. Even if you don't like the person, say the truth, and we stand for the truth. Even without Innoson saying it, the Nigerian government has patronized Innoson. We know, we saw it. So much. Good news, good news, good news. Oscar nomination. Nollywood actress Kerry Washington writes Genevieve in Igbo language. Nollywood actress Genevieve Kerry Washington, Hollywood actress, showed that her Hollywood-based husband Nnamdi Asamoah has transferred the Igbo-speaking gene to her as the popular screen diver. Congratulated actress Genevieve Nnaji in Igbo language following Lionheart's nomination on Oscar Award. You get that? It all began with Genevieve breaking the news on her Twitter handle, and the Hollywood actress swiftly congratulated her in Igbo. This is what Genevieve wrote while she broke the news of the nomination of Lionheart, her movie, done in Igbo language for Oscar. Here is what Genevieve wrote. The Nigerian Oscar Selection Committee has chosen Lionheart movie to represent Nigeria for the 2020 Academy Award for Best International Film. We are grateful for this recognition and proud to carry the torch. Thank you all for the love and support thus far. Now here is Kerry's congratulatory message. She wrote, "This is glorious. Also, anyị nwere ike ịga rie nri ehihie n'oge na-adịghị anya. That's what Kerry Washington wrote while she was reacting to Genevieve's Twitter post that she got an Oscar nomination for the movie Lionheart. Now here is Genevieve's reply. Love you, sis. Here is our tweet. Wow, Lionheart. We're proud of you, Genevieve Najan. We're also proud of the film Lionheart, the film that has Innoson vehicle used in some of the parts. Wow. Well, this will tell you how far this guy will go if given the needed support. Amazing, a 19-year-old boy from Amure Omanze in the local government area of Imo State. His name is Izunwa Justin Chinedu, constructed something he called Gwagen 4 using the engine of a machine and a generator tank. Let's encourage him. I wish the rich guys among us in our labor will give these people the support, the necessary support to explore further on these talents. There are many of these talents, but they don't have the support. The other time, somebody built a generator that uses water. What you do is encourage them. They do more research, improve on it, and before you know, we bring out these things to the market. Are we afraid of investing in talents? This is how Japan came to become what they are today. Investing on the talent, not allowing them to waste. A lot of the times we are interested on finished goods. We're interested on talents that are already polished. But this is how they start. They started from somewhere. If they get the necessary knowledge and backups, these guys who are doing these things will go very far. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.